You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Clearly summer is canceled, but we can still slay on a budget. I'm going to be bringing you all some affordable options in these next couple of videos, so you all stay tuned, and if nothing else, we'll be prepared for next summer. So this is what the unit looks like. I love this color. This is an ombre highlight wig, and y'all, the color is just fabulous. It's perfect for any skin tone. This is what the hair looks like right out of the package. You all did see it curled at the beginning, but I'm going to show you guys how I achieved that. I did get this unit in length 14, and y'all guess how much it cost? Only $90. Look at this, y'all. It's already pre-layered and everything. I believe the longest length you can get it in is in length 18 and the shortest is in length 12, which would be so nice in a bob. I kind of wanted a bob look, but I wanted a longer bob look. So that's why I got it in length 14 because, you know, it's a summer. We want something that's cool and we're not going to have so much hair in our neck. So this is why I went for this particular length. Now, this is what the pre-plucked hairline looks like. I didn't have to do any additional tweezing, so that was really good. So right out of the package, you're pretty much ready to go. The knots were also pre-bleached, and this lace front is a 13x4 lace front. So you do get 4 inches of parting space, which makes it pretty natural. And this is what the hair looks like doing a full spin. I love this color in that it has the lighter highlights in the front, and then you have more of the darker color in the back. It just really creates interest in the look. This is what I use in order to tint the lace, this Ruby Kiss 3D face creator, and it is a combination foundation and concealer. I just showed you all the color that I use specifically. I'll also be sure to include that in the description box below. This is what I've been using lately in order to tint the lace. I literally ran out of my lace tint and I'm waiting for them to get it back in stock, the one by Wig Gurus that you all are seeing in many of my other videos. So this is just a really convenient alternative that anyone can do. So I'm just going to allow you all to watch this process, and then I'm going to cut the lace off, and then I'll come back on when we move on to the next step.
Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times will cherish, no comparing to you.
After cutting the lace off, this is what the unit looks like. I will say that this particular unit isn't big head friendly. So if you're someone who has a larger head, there aren't any options for different sizes. I believe it just comes in one standard size. And as you can see, it didn't fully fit my front hairline. And I don't know if maybe I had braided my hair down a little flatter. That would have helped, but that's just something to keep in mind. So I am going to be using the bed head in order to secure it down. And I'm only going to apply it on my front hairline. I'm not going to add any to the sides. I've really been trying to work on doing as little as possible when applying my units because I want to make sure that my edges are still strong and I'm not consistently putting any type of adhesive on my edges. So I just put it on the front hairline, a little on the sides, kind of like an application that you would do if you were installing a lace closure. That's what I tried to do. And later you're just going to see me grab some hair from the sides and just pull it behind my ear in order to keep the lace down.
NEESHA, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you, yeah. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute, girl, you know you cute.
All right, now that we secured the front down, we can begin styling the hair. As you can see, once you pull it down, if you're wearing a middle part, you don't need to do anything to the sides. So you all keep that in mind. If you want to just wear your unit with the front laid down and secured and you don't really have time or you don't desire to do anything to the sides, you don't have to if you wear a middle part. And you just pull the hair from the sides behind your ear. It's going to help keep that lace down. So now we're going to work on flattening the area near the part. I did decide to shift the part because when I placed it down, I felt like where it came parted, it wasn't actually centered on my head. So I'm just shifting it now. I applied the Sebastian Shaper holding spray in this area, and I'm just adjusting the part more, making sure it's to my liking. And then I'm going to follow up with my Care wax stick and then begin using my hot comb.
Up and grabbing your curves. If you ask me, you got that drip chocolate factory. All of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls can beat you. Paris, make sometimes we'll cherish. Baby, that no comparing to you.
Alright, so at this point, I decided I wanted to make the part pop a little more. So I'm going to be adding some concealer, and I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in color Fawn. I didn't used to use this method, but I really like it. It makes it look really scalp-like. It looks so good after doing that. So I'm just going to go in and do that. And then after, I'm going to curl the hair using a flat iron. I do want to mention when using the concealer method that you're sure to go over the very front part of the hairline with your finger. Just kind of smear it in so it doesn't look so harsh. I've seen individuals do this and it looks so harsh and unnatural. But if you just go over it with your finger, that'll kind of help. So now I'm just going to begin curling the hair using my Ion Copper Deluxe Flat Iron. I will link it in the description box. It goes up to 400 degrees and that's what I'm putting it on. And I'm back curling it with the flat iron to give it a beach curl type look. Because remember, this look is a summer vibe look and we want something that's effortless, that we can wear to the beach. In our minds, we're kind of dreaming that we can be there in Hawaii or somewhere. But this would be a great look for that. After curling the entire unit, all that's left to do is finger comb the hair. I didn't actually go through with a wide tooth comb or anything. I just allowed my fingers to do the work. And we're pretty much finished, guys. This unit is 150% density and it's a really great density. I love the color. I love the texture. It felt amazing. And I just love how it turned out. It looks so perfect for the summer. So that's the end of this tutorial, guys. I hope that you all thoroughly enjoyed it. Be sure to check the links and all the specifications down in the description box. I'll also link all the products that I use. I love you guys and I'll see you all in my next video. Hope that you guys are having a wonderful summer so far.
You got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switched up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love. I pull up to your spot in the evening. Got a life and a pop for the weekend. Girl, I said you're the one and I mean that. I mean that.